Fostering effective practices of cooperative learning approaches, enhancing learning concept among students with intellectual disabilities. Abstract. Cooperative learning is a technique that encourages students to study alongside one another, and the current teaching style in the inclusive classroom for students with intellectual disability is tested to discover effective cooperative learning practices. When classrooms have a greater mixture of students with and without disabilities, cooperative learning approaches prove to be more effective for promoting multi-dimension of learning. This means that it is in the interest of the schools and students with intellectual support cooperative learning methods, because those techniques have proven themselves to be more successful and suitable teaching for the same. Cooperative learning takes place engaging together just to create a strategy that it is in the level of togetherness that inspires participants to assist and encourage one another. The inclusive education practice with cooperative allows students to be enhanced, feel that their voices can be heard and reflected in the society. Introduction. The study focuses on cooperative learning approaches in a classroom inclusive. The study designed the effectiveness of cooperative learning method for students with inclusive education classroom setting. The addition further study was conducted in the classrooms to uncover the addition and several application of cooperative learning approaches. Cooperative learning is a series of instructional methods in which learners share to learn, practice for the components of a course and reach common learning outcome. It is much more than just grouping learners and helping it to work. Cooperative learning is a formal method of pattern in a classroom process which special function designed to maximize the capacity of learners for diverse and profound learning. For the students with intellectual, were various advantages of cooperative learning structures in the comparison with more classroom setting approaches. The students with intellectual participate in activities in the classroom with the cooperative learning frameworks. In particular, students express their opinion more openly, receive support and guidance, engage in inquiry strategies, receive extra skill practice, and add greater possibilities for response in inclusive classroom using cooperative learning. Cooperative learning strategy. Cooperative learning is a word for a variety of academic modules utilize common skills and effort between learners and teachers. Students typically collaborate in pairs or groups or more, search each other for understanding solutions or meaning and create a result. Cooperative learning to perform as a learner who aim to achieve groups objective which can be achieved by function or alone independently. Cooperative learning is a major change away from the conventional teaching or instructing environment in the classroom. Teachers use cooperative learning methodologies tend to be view themselves less as an informative guide for students and more as cognitive design expert and trains or midwives or a more spontaneous learning process. This study addresses the theme and the major components of cooperative learning. Cooperative learning allows people to work with someone and see alternative viewpoints. Students will learn more successfully when learning collaboratively than independently, and confidence in the students as established. Cooperative learning utilizes both in the interactions of goal and the connectivity of resources to ensure interactions between team and team members. Shifting the function of the teacher from the teaching to facilitate a team assist encouragement the learner to study through participation together in enhancing learning concept among students and with intellectual disability in an inclusive classroom setting. Cooperative learning for students with intellectual disabilities. Due to the limitation of students with intellectual disability, educators should concentrate on the few concepts for classroom involving complicated subjects. Educators must also organize the activities to be incorporated into the learning experience so that the learners can participate actively. Various assessments are used utilized to measure how a learner fulfills this learning outcomes, standards, milestones, and indications. To fulfill these educational goals, children with disability create a unique academic program adapt to their needs to satisfy their personal goals. Cooperative learning is an indicator to measure the success of the application of inclusive education in an inclusive classroom setting. The cooperation between regular students with intellectual disabilities in a learning can be a beneficial effect on the growth of students with intellectual disability. The study aims to access the excellence of cooperative learning in inclusive schools for the students with intellectual disabilities. The outcome has shown that cooperative learning can be built quality like concern, tolerance, and social awareness among students with intellectual disability in the inclusive classroom setting. Peer support learning in cooperative learning. Cooperative learning is an often used strategy in which small prepared groups of children come together to assist peers in resolving problems, assigning resources, and cooperating. This study helps to understand the advantages and difficulties of cooperative learning applications in the prayer supported for students. Cooperative learning has offered learners benefits in peer teaching to help reduce the tension of classroom lessons. Thus, it would be progressively essential for students to be in better group forms and with even more time, which might make them more competent in teaching in the entire classes. Students took part in the team through the learning process. Cooperative learning empowers children to understand together their peer effectively and truthfully. Cooperative learning is an individualized learning technique that involves all learners. Students felt that they had something in common by learning in terms, thus they inspired and supported one another. Collectively, students have established stable and genuinely help teamwork that risk cost the enthusiasm of students with intellectual disability in inclusive classroom setting. The role of educators in integrating cooperative learning. Educators who achieve the best outcome from the cooperative learning groups team students precisely how and where to engage before the team leads is very on learning. The role assignment in the team also concentrate the learner to educational outcome provided. Educators take personal and social objective to foster cooperation. Either desire to feel we are all in this and the capacity to rely on your co-workers for students' learning are vital. Educators and ultimately peer must provide ongoing feedback towards the team and personal goals. This progressively really promises more committed and competent students. Various studies were carried out to study factors that influence the educational attainment of learners. Cooperative learning was determined to be among the more efficient. Educators need to ensure inclusion through cooperative learning practice. Do, do this when there is abundant encouragement for what they are doing. Cooperative learning in an inclusive classroom. Cooperative learning is a way that educators can use the schools to help students enhance their efficiency and to help building positive contacts between students so that all the learner opportunity for learning can be enjoyed. The present age faces problems in the delivering cooperative inclusive education for everyone. The study focus on measuring the influence of cooperative learning on inclusive education in the classroom. Experts will concentrate on discussion on the importance of cooperative learning in inclusive education in the classrooms. The professor will also talk about the problems that hamper cooperative learning achievement of inclusive education in the classrooms. Finally, the study examines the vital technique to encourage cooperative learning as the means of getting inclusive education in the classroom. Educators must help a classroom environment for operation in the inclusive schools and encourage the socialization of all learners. Proper learning inclusion gives every child with a fair chance, irrespective of their learning requirements. All the learners are taken care of and equipped with cooperative learning occurs in a fully inclusive classroom atmosphere that helps them to learn from their peers and collaborate with their classmates. As an introduction teacher, it is important to grasp the barrier to operational integration and how you can overcome these challenges to cooperative learning to achieve inclusive education in the schools and to identify basic ways to enhance cooperative learning in the inclusive classroom. Yeah, amongst cooperative learning and inclusive education. Benefits of cooperative learning. Cooperative learning offers several benefits in the classroom, including high performance, improved attendance, illustrate the effective and greater academic accomplishment. Describing the benefits of a successful cooperative learning program as cooperative learning promotes self-directed education and is focused on students. Cooperative learning promotes reflection and helps the students to think over it, their subject and reflect and find the deep meaning on that, and they can be able to study better way. It promotes transformative learning. Means the learning which they get through the cooperative learning, which will help them to their learning, whatever they learn can be transferred to one another. Cooperative learning links the education opportunity of schools and workplace. So it helps the students to study in the workplace wherever they are. They can study together with their peers, support, and it. Cooperative learning process is co- co- students and teachers coordinate and partner in the effort to have distinct function respecting the whole procedure. Cooperative learning activities are based based on the theories of learner autonomy. Cooperative learning program gives classroom and work and exposure engaging and practical for continuous learning. Technological innovations and other distribution modalities boost cooperative learning. Cooperative learning is characterized by the content and program. Cooperative learning is responsible and ensure that promises for understanding are shown and proven. Study proposes that cooperative learning contributes to producing greater accomplishment in the life of all the students, improved retention in the school, greater pleasant interaction and border friendly groups. The students can able to make their groups and their relationship, their interaction and everything, it will be increased, and they will be able to manage, able to talk with their friends, and they will be able to do their work in a better way, increase commitment intently. So through this cooperative learning, the students will be able to do their work with more commitment and more collaboration, and also they will be learning how to be accountable, how to be responsible to their work, whatever they are doing, increase self-confidence. Through this cooperative learning, the students will have self-confidence. They will be able to do any work, any study material, or any teaching, any work they are given. They will be able to do it. Better social protection through this cooperative learning. They will be socially protected because they are in a group, and the group means if one person having any problem, the whole group will support them in their whatever up and downs. Thus whole group will be with them. Additional task performance through this cooperative learning, the students will get an additional task to do the work in a better way, their own personal way, and their own group. All group will be involved in that working, so they will be able to perform and give their contribution. Improved educators outlook, though, so also will be their teachers outlook towards teaching and learning, uh, that also will be changed. Positive classroom values, so the learning, the classroom, there will be positive atmosphere. All will be in a better way, and they will be doing their work in a better way. Conclusion. In short, cooperative learning framework incorporating inclusive classroom procedures increases learning activities for students with intellectual disability and their disabled classmates. Such arrangements are particularly beneficial for children who demand further practice in other conformation and cognitive assignment during the academic sessions. Cooperative learning frameworks support and encourage integrated activities and encourage the performance of school and life. The study outcome indicate that the ordinary learner reacts well to the appearance of students with intellectual disability in the classroom environment, and then they can integrate into a learning experience. Students with intellectual disability have influenced the development of cooperative learning practices. Schools that organize inclusive education are encouraged to raise the frequency of actions involving learners who have special needs to openly support teamwork and social engagement with ordinary learners. People who work jointly learn to increase education activities and other acceptabilities of all. Cooperative learning can enhance identified desire following the goal of providing by suitably approaches. Each student has the right to partake and learn from the peers through the integration of cooperative learning strategies with, within the classroom for students in the individualized education plans. Educators must work to create and execute the policies in the English education classroom to enable such teaching learning procedures. There is a variety of cooperative learning strategies that may be utilized in a combination of methods in the classroom. Educators can also be individualized teaching based on the students' needs. Classroom in which the cooperative learning takes place are secure environment in which the opinion of the learners are recognized for enhancing learning concept among students with intellectual disability in an inclusive classroom setting. Thank you for providing me a opportunity to present my paper in this conference. And I also thank all the organizing team and their support, and they're giving me a opportunity to present my paper. And if you have any doubt, any inquiries, please ask your questions. I will be able to give answer. Thank you.